Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get real-time updates on your order on Temu. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have already placed orders on Temu. How do you actually go ahead and get real-time updates? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first, you're going to log into your Temu account. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Orders and Account on this upper hand side. Once you've done so, you want to go ahead and find the order that you want to go ahead and track. So click on Track. And then from here, you want to find the section that says Get Real-Time Shipment Updates for this order via email. So click on Get Updates. So as you can see, they'll send you updates regarding tracking updates, delivery problems, delivery updates, and package delivered. So click on Get Updates. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get shipment updates on Temu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.